Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you my all-time favorite fried banana recipe that is very crispy and remains crispy for hours. In this part of the world, we refer to this fried bananas as Goreng Pisang, which is Malay for fried bananas. This beloved snack is a favorite tea time snack and is a popular street food in Southeast Asian countries. Goreng pisang can be easily found at hawker centers in Singapore. Come along with me to see how to prepare this crispy goreng pisang. First, let's make the batter. We need a few things: the rice flour, the baking powder, and the salt. So then we will mix all these dry ingredients thoroughly. Then I will add water. I first added 220 milliliters of water and I gauge and see whether the batter is the right consistency. So we stir it using a whisk. So looks like it's still a bit thick and sticky, so I added another 20 milliliters of water. And just like that, you can see that the batter loosens up and it becomes very easy to whisk. So eventually, after whisking, you can see that the consistency is that of a steady stream as you drop it from the whisk. Yeah, this is the consistency that I'm trying to achieve. Put it aside and rest it for 10 minutes. Here I have pisang Berangan, which translates to Berangan banana. It is also known as ang bak chio in Hokkien, which means red flesh bananas. Other types of bananas that you can use are Saba bananas, pisang raja, and pisang Tanduk. These are excellent choices due to their firm texture and natural sweetness when fried. Identifying this variety is not a problem in the supermarket as they are nicely labeled. However, if you buy them outside, just let the seller know that you want the type of banana suitable for frying. So you just have to peel the bananas first. Can you see that it is reddish orange flesh? It has that color, very firm flesh and very fragrant. Okay, so let's have a look at our batter again. So just before frying, add ammonium bicarbonate, which is known as ammonium powder. You can buy this from baking supply shop or online. It is commonly used as a leavening agent in baked goods to help baked goods rise and become light and airy. It is added just before frying to prevent premature gas release and loss of leavening power. It is heat activated. I've also added the oil, and after that just give it a very good mix before we use it. Okay, once it's nicely stirred, immediately fry it. So we can test our oil to see whether it is suitable or the temperature is right by dipping a wooden chopstick. If you see small bubbles arising or gather around the wooden chopstick, then we know that we are good to go. So dip the bananas in our batter and then fry it in batches. Yeah, normally I fry about 4 or 5 per batch. Try not to overcrowd our pan. So our aim is to fry it for about 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. So until it is golden brown. So 2 minutes later, you just turn it. And you will see some kind of crispy batter strips. Just remove them, but I usually don't throw them away as they are very delicious. You can eat them along with the bananas. So once it turns golden brown like that, lift it up from the wok and then drain the oil on a wire rack. You can see that adding just rice flour results in thin, crispy and lacy goreng pisang. So here we are, our goreng pisang is ready. Let's try one. It is super crispy and crunchy on the outside, creamy and sweet on the inside. This is a perfect snack for tea time or mid-morning. It is best enjoyed when still hot or warm with coffee, tea or teh tarik. To enjoy this as a dessert, you can have a light dusting of icing sugar or drizzle with chocolate cream or serve with your favorite ice cream. Leftovers can be reheated in a toaster for a few minutes and it will become crispy again as though they have just been fried. Do give this recipe a try someday till we meet again in the next video. As always, happy cooking!